Hello and welcome to our weekly market review. Well, it looked like a good week for the US dollar, especially after Jerome Powell's first testimony as Fed chair that could be described as hawkish, as he hinted to possible 4 rate hikes in 2018, a remark that sent the dollar way up across the board. However, this rise was short-lived as President Trump made an announcement regarding tariffs on steel and aluminium imports, sending the dollar downhill against the euro and the Japanese yen, and making the phrase trade war probably one of the most common ones in financial markets last week, as fears of retribution from Europe and China started to appear. And it wasn't especially a good week for the pound either, as high hopes for progress in the Brexit negotiations have diminished as Prime Minister Theresa May rejected the first draft for the EU proposal regarding Northern Ireland and sent the pound to record lows. Now this week we're going to start on Monday with UK Services PMI, which is forecast to set at the 53.3 level, and we'll also get US ISM non-manufacturing PMI data. On Tuesday we'll get the Reserve Bank of Australia's rate decision with no change in policy expected, and on Wednesday we'll get a deeper look at the Australian economy with a fourth quarter GDP reading, and as this is a single reading with no revisions, its significance becomes greater. Now later on that day, the Bank of Canada will publish its rate decision, and it will be very interesting to see whether the tariffs set by Trump will have any effect on the Canadian economy. On Thursday, it's the Eurozone's rate decision, and investors will be watching closely to see whether any changes in phrasing have been made regarding the forecast on the QE program. And we'll close the week with the Bank of Japan's rate decision, Canadian jobs report, and of course US non-farm payrolls report, all of which should be released on Friday. That's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching.